How to get a Final Cut Pro free trial. Final Cut Pro offers a 90-day free trial, allowing you to test its full range of professional video editing features before purchasing. Here's how to activate your free trial. Step 1. Visit the Final Cut Pro free trial page. Go to www.apple.com/finalcutpro/trial/. Click Download Free Trial to start the process. Step 2. Install the free trial. Open the .dmg file after downloading. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Step 3. Start using Final Cut Pro. Open the application from Launchpad or Applications. Use the trial period to explore advanced video editing tools. 360-degree VR editing, motion graphics and color grading, professional effects, and plugins. Step 4. Check the trial expiration date. The trial lasts 90 days from the installation date. After expiration, you'll need to purchase the full version from the Mac App Store. Step 5. Purchase or uninstall Final Cut Pro if needed. If you want to continue using Final Cut Pro, buy the full version, 299 $99 one-time purchase. If you decide not to continue, delete Final Cut Pro by dragging it to the trash and clearing system files. By following these steps, you can explore Final Cut Pro for free and decide if it meets your video editing needs.